Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a super simple French dressing with no oil. Very easy. I got this recipe from Jill McKeever. I will link her information below. I did tweak it a little bit to kind of put my own spin on it, but of course, as always, you can vary spices. That's up to you to make it to your liking. So let's get started. So you're going to use your nutribullet. And so we're going to put everything in here. So let's get started with everything. I've got some roasted red peppers in water. You don't want oil. And if probably want one large. These are not very large, so I'm going to use 3. That should be good. And then to that I'm going to add, and I'll put the exact measurements in the description box, salt, pepper, onion powder, and some Italian spices. So that's going in. Clove garlic. 2 dates that have been soaked in water just so they blend a little easier. So these are 2 pitted medjool dates. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And depending on how thick you want your dressing, 3 to 4 tablespoons of the water from the peppers. You can use regular water if you like, but I think the peppers give it a little more flavor. So we're just gonna put this lid on here, make sure it's on tight, and we're gonna blend it up. I like to give it a little shake, blend it a little more. All right, let's see how it looks. All right. Look at that. It's very reminiscent of, I don't know if you ever had Kraft Catalina Dressing, but that's very much what it reminds me of. It's sweet and tangy, goes great on salads. You could dip your fries in it. I mean, it's delicious. So I just threw some spring mix on a plate. I wanted to give it a try and let you know how it tastes, even though I know it's delicious. It is sweet, it's tangy, it's perfect. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.